How to fix Facebook. An unexpected error occurred. Please try logging in again. So if this pop-up window is showing on your Facebook login page, what we can do is go to the sign up option instead of the login one. So in here, click on create new account, go get started. Now it doesn't matter what name you put in here. It could be just a random letter, and it doesn't matter what birthday you put as well as your gender. Then in here, you should type in the email that you originally used for your Facebook account that you're trying to log in. After that, put in your password, press sign up. Now wait for it to load, and as you can see, it's like the Facebook is strict that you're signing up but you're just logging into your account. So here my old Facebook account is now logged in. So that is how to fix Facebook. An unexpected error occurred. Please try logging in again. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.